Hi guys! Look, no more food here. No more food over here. We have to buy a new one. A new set of food. See? The birds eat it. So yeah. Take your everyone. This is our birdhouse. We don't own any bird, but they come into our tree. Hi guys! We're gonna get the birdhouse so we can feed the bird. So we're gonna feed it. I'm doing it, guys. We need to fill it all the way so when the birds come, they're not gonna get hungry because they have food. So yeah, it's not yet full. We gotta make it sure we have everything enough. Oh, look at this. Okay, there you go guys.